What happened to the dude on your roof? Did he blow off?
Yo, we have to get the fucking skeleton from the roof. Hey, you're going up there, dude, after this.
Go get it now?
Yeah. I kept the tray by accident. I don't know. Because they said, are you eating in or are you leaving? I said, no, I'll eat here. So obviously there's like 4,000 people inside of that little place.
Yeah.
I was like, fuck, I'm gonna eat outside. And then I go outside, it's like, it's fucking cold outside. So I got in the car and I started watching YouTube videos here on the TV screen here. And then I'm like, the trash can is so far away. And I just drove away. I feel like a criminal, dude. We should return it.
I'm sure that happens all the time.
Yo, you should buckle up, dude.
I know, I'm trying to find my sunglasses.
Hello.
What up?
What's up, dude?
Welcome back, brother.
How's it going?
Good, man.
Yeah, it's a little cold now, dude.
Yeah, I know, right? We broke California while you were gone. The thermostat broke.
Everything's snowing.
Oh, look at the front now, dude. You haven't seen the front, Nick? Check it out. What do you think?
Yeah, it worked out really well.
Right? We could put the decks here. How do you think? 3, 2, 1, go. A little more, more. There, done. Now you have to like straighten it. All right, so let's
Little stanchions, yeah.
Let's push this back. You guys got it? 3, 2, 1. Done. Perfect.
So Marco got artsy with it and put like the extra over there.
So this is a merch shop. Trying to get everything moved in from the older warehouse. Yo, that toothpick has a lot of mint in it. All right, all the Mexican viewers are gonna know what's up. Have you seen this before?
That?
Yeah.
This thing's hard to control.
So you haven't seen this before?
I mean, on the internet I have. Yeah.
You've seen this on the internet?
Yeah.
All right. It's called salsa Getty.
Salsa Getty.
Yeah, it's ghetto spaghetti. Look, it's just like spaghetti things, and it comes with a little sauce packet. But we got some extras. Oh, right here. Here, try it. You get the idea.
No, I get the vibe.
All right. You do this, like, dude. Are you recording this? Dude, you suck at recording, dude.
I went to school for this.
You did? Oh, you went to film school? Look, you went to film school, dude.
I'm just trying to get this gimbal down.
Mmm.
This thing has a mind of its own.
Mm-hmm.
What does the sauce taste like?
There's only one way to find out.
I get it. Here. Is this the same shit that's in there?
There you go. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow,
Ugh.
meow. You go.
Oh no! The counter though.
Yo, people will put this on like their fruit. People will put this in their like micheladas. Look.
Oh, okay, enough. Tranquilo.
Try it out.
What? With all the juices?
With all the juices, dude. All right. What does it taste like? It's pretty lit.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. What are we doing right now, dude? No. Stop. What are we doing?
Building some soundproofing. Pros.
Yo, you want to explain to the kids, like, how much is this costing you right now?
Well, here's the thing. If you put the 5 years of being a failed musician into it,
Shut up.
but all the materials are like $150.
$150, and you're doing what, 4 panels?
No, I'm gonna have enough materials to do. I'm gonna have enough. This is the most expensive shit. This is like $55, but this can do 6 panels.
And what's the brand of this so the kids know?
It's
Rockwool, baby!
16-inch.
Safe and sound.
Safe and sound. So you just go like this.
So if I make rhythm, is this gonna work for me?
Yes, this is exactly
All
what
right.
you need for rhythm.
But
Anything other than
like anything under 140, is it fine?
oh no.
No, over 140.
Over 140.
Yes.
And then we're gonna
2
cut.
strips, you cut it, and then you...
Now watch this. This is.
We're running out of battery. Hurry up.
This is the map. Well, okay.
Keep going
pause
fast.
It, pause it.
So what are you doing now,
So
dude?
we cut the excess off, and check this out.
No.
Oh yeah, it fits perfectly.
Perfectly.
In there,
It's like you mathematically.
And then all you gotta do is push the little.
Why you look like you're cooking meth? First of all.
Because.
Oh, as he grabs the blade.
Oh, fuck yeah. And then you just stuff it in.
Ooh.
Get it right in there. Fill that gap. I'm trying to. Wait. Oh wait, we remembered.
Oh, so it doesn't fall back.
Well, no, just me reaching across. It's hard to like.
Your finger flip.
The staples don't want to go all the way.
Mallet.
Damn, you look sketchy, dude.
You don't need soundproofing when you use KRKs. You're not wrong. Yeah, I soundproof this room when I put the shittiest speakers in it.
Yeah, they should at least teach this in like music schools, huh?
How to fucking sound.
Like a workshop, carpentry or something.
We had one for like repairing
Studio maintenance.
Studio maintenance, yeah.
But that's it. Nick, it looks like you're hiding like hash or something, like
Yeah.
meth
Alright,
in like panels.
It's skinny there. Let's. Yeah, that works.
and then we'll just take this.
Just rip it with your
Yeah, you
fingers.
can tear it apart.
Cotton candy, dude.
Yeah, like, do you guys like my new shirts made out of fiberglass?
Ouch.
Fiberglass insulation. It's a little itchy.
A little itchy. Itching and burning. Itching and burning. Stanky.
Yo, I dare you to tell someone like put it on a stick and be like, yo, cotton candy.
Or just rip it up and put it in a baggie and be like, you guys smoke
No,
this.
this is wool.
Yo, if you smoked this, it would just your lungs would just shred. If you inhaled
You
fiberglass,
probably sell this to like a 13-year-old.
Yeah.
Like weed.
just ruin his life.
Dude, it's the cotton candy weed, bro. It's
Yeah,
good
bro,
shit.
it's tight. That's why it's so fluffy.
Yeah, dude. Everybody knows more fluff equals more THC. No, it,
You're gonna hit an F sharp and then fucking like it's gonna poop out like cotton candy.
The upholstery goes up.
Yeah, the upholstery comes up and tucks around into the
Alright.
spot. That's why we have to like leave a little room on the edge of the
Leave some
upholstery.
space for Jesus. you know?
Always.
Leave some room for Jesus, because he's gonna park his truck outside. That's how you do it, kids. Don't pay $3,000 like I did. We got Cosmic White for the new hoodies. Brand new hoodies coming out soon. But look guys, look at all the screens. Here's all the screens we use for all the shirts and all the cool hoodies and stuff. Woo! That could have been better. Oh, what the Pat. That's Pat.
Whoa. Oh, you gave him a fucking chin, bro.
That's fine.
Bing, bing, bong, bing, bong.
That's your boy? Pickup truck? Nick, what are we doing, dude? What happened?
I don't want to talk about it.
We made these panels. We drove 50 minutes north.
45.
50 minutes north. Apparently this is Nick's recording studio building. And it's just lawyers, bail bond people, laundromat, sushi hut, mattress store going out of sale. It's been here for 3 years going out of sale.
And a CPA.
And Nick forgot his keys.
No, I did not.
Nick forgot his keys to go to his music studio.
No. I don't have keys.
So you don't have a music studio?
No, I have my keys to my unit, but the fucking leasing agent didn't give me keys to the front door. And I'm paying for the insurance on this spot, and I'm paying for the rent on this spot, and I'm paying the utilities, but I can't get in. And that's a problem. So what did I do? At 3 in the morning.
It's actually 3 in the morning.
It's actually 3 in the morning. And what other option did I
No
have
boss.
other than to call a 24/7 locksmith? and have him come out and try to break into the building.
So Nick called his cousin. He's in the Italian mob, and he's gonna bust the window.
He's a locksmith.
He's gonna bust the. He's gonna pull up an Infinity, 2-door Infinity. And he's gonna bust the window, and Nick's gonna, all right, how you doing? And he's gonna go do one of these, and then how you doing? Kiss him in the cheek and the forehead and everything, do the Italian like one of these. And then he's
looking good, kid.
You're looking good, kid. All right, have fun now. And then he's gonna walk away, and hope the cops don't pull up on us.
The cops aren't gonna pull up.
How much do you want to bet the cops are gonna pull up?
How much do I bet the cops
Yo,
are not gonna pull
it's
up?
gonna.
There's no alarm system in this building.
A dude in a pickup. Yo, something's gonna go off.
Nothing's gonna go off. They literally just locked the front door at 9 o'clock at night, which makes sense. I'm not mad that the door's locked. I'm mad that I don't have keys for something I'm paying for. Like,
yo, it's your studio's all like fluorescent lighting, like just like you can hear the buzz.
no, there's no buzz. There is fluorescent lighting, but there's no
The
buzz.
carpet is like this thin, it's like gray.
Oh, dude, you're so fucking right.
Yeah. It's like, yeah, dude, the vibes in this studio, man, they're just so good.
No, they're putting vinyl floors in.
And then you have like the water tank machine, and you hear the bubbles when you use it.
No, not that. That's why, dude. How did you know that there was fucking shitty? You're
Bro,
gonna
look
laugh.
at this place.
You're gonna laugh your ass off.
Bro, it's like a corporate, like.
It's a corporate. It's commercial real estate. Like, what do you want? I'm
Bro,
just trying to make it happen.
Dude, if you made commercial music, then it'd be commercial real estate.
You know what they put in the lease?
What?
I'll read you what they put in the lease. They put administrative office for music production.
Administrative office. So you're gonna administrate
I
your
told
beats.
him I was a sound designer. I'm like, oh yeah, I do sound design work. He was like, oh, okay. Sign here.
Administrative.
I do sound design and also make songs.
It's gonna be hilarious, dude. I can't wait.
Don't stop.
Is there like a
Don't
vending
do-
machine in there or something?
Are you hungry?
Just for water.
We can stop at my house on the way home. On your way home, I'll get you a water. You can come in. My mom still has a Christmas tree up.
Wow.
We can bang it out.
Wait, what?
Yeah, like this took a turn.
Alright, I'm gonna head out.
Yeah, well,
Alright, let me just turn this shit off. Nick, if I buy that building at the merch store, dude, you're moving your whole studio there.
No shit. Oh,
Was this him?
this is my boy.
Oh boy, here we go. Damn, it's like Splinter
Do you want me to
Cell.
bring a flashlight over? Oh, so he's a licensed locksmith. He's not just like a dude who does it because he's bored.
Or maybe.
Or maybe. Or maybe.
Finally made it, dude.
We made it.
We're in. We're gonna tell Nick it was $1,200 because it was late at night on a holiday. So Nick says he's gonna reimburse me for this. I'm gonna play it cool. I'm gonna say, yeah, he already texted me the receipt. Like an office space.
Yes, he said this is the floor that's gonna be in his room.
Yeah, we already paid for it.
You're gonna pay?
I already give.
It's pay for me, so I sent the receipt to him.
Okay.
So the total it was 1,200, okay?
1,200 sounds good. Thanks.
Ready?
$1,200,000.
Yeah.
You know what you did again.
He told me on the phone it was like 90.
No, it's 220.
220.
Actually.
85 and 95 is an additional 220.
Called security.
You didn't believe it was $1,200?
No, because he told me on the phone it was like
Fuck off.
he told me on the phone it was 90.
Oh man. No, it was 220.
Why did you spend money on this wooden hand? What?
What's this?
Okay, let me tell you what.
Let me talk to you, boys.
The size is great. The size is lit. I don't know how I feel about the curved wall.
I think it's a good
the
thing.
curved wall is good. You don't want 90-degree angles. You want round.
It's great now. These things in here already help it. So what happened? Someone got shot right here, dude.
No, the dude was in here before. Look, there's like business cards on the ground. Shit. Seriously, only 3 on panels on this wall, and then if you do maybe make like 2 little, like if you wanted little ones
That's
for
what I
like
was
up
gonna
top
do.
on
2
that
little
wall.
ones and then bass traps. You're a bass trap. Hold on, I'm trying to open this so I can show you my idea.
Just leave it.
No.
We don't need to know about that right now. All right.
It's not a fisting device. I had a really cool idea. So,
I mean, anything's a fisting device.
If you try hard enough.
ain't that the truth? I need one thing to go right for me tonight.
That's not the middle finger.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yeah. Cute.
Yeah, it's just bent weird.
Oh.
No, I was gonna paint it black, and then just have it as like a little desk ornament, like this, just like chilling, like.
Like that?
Yeah.
I
You know
know.
the vibes.
I
This is
know.
the couch. You want to see the couch?
There's a couch in there?
There's a futon.
Oh, you're gonna sleep here, huh?
No. Me. No, I'm legally saying I'm not sleeping here.
But if I take a nap,
11-hour nap here.
they're like, "That's funny. You put it in a microwave and a fridge."
You know what's funny is I literally.
So what are we gonna? Are we gonna build this? Or are we gonna hang some shit? Or what are we gonna do?
Okay.
Oh boy.
Huh?
Are you bringing anything else in, or?
No, we're gonna hang out. Fucking the concert.
You might hang out.
Steven's gonna walk home. No, go to the. Yeah, it fucking does. You piece of shit. The back.
Are you f***ing kidding? You didn't try it?
You didn't try the fucking back door.
I didn't even know the door was here.
Joe, you think what? Buildings have one door? Dude, this is a fucking commercial building. You think there's only one entrance?